Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know. And everyone, please do turn on your videos. Saptarshi, Akrati, Nikshita, Yashashwini. Do turn on your videos. Beta, am I audible? Tell me yes or no. Is the screen visible? Yes? Okay. We'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us because I have only 7 students with me. Till then, you can ask me anything if any problem related to the questions we solved yesterday. Any issue, beta? Any doubts? Anyone? Palak, Saptarshi, Akrati, Mitran, Nikshita, Yashashwini, those who have joined? No? Okay. Okay, so today also we will do the same topic, that is percentage. We will practice more and more questions related with percentage. And if today, most probably you answer me quite well, so next day we shall start the new chapter. But today we will continue with the percentage. I think this was the question we did in the last class, last question that we did. Tell me yes or no. This was the last question that we did yesterday. You can turn on your mic and tell me, beta. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So if yes, then today I have another question for you. Here you go. There you go. Launching poll for you. Starting the class with the easy question. Quickly. Only 3. Falak, Saptarshi and Yashashwini. Only 3. Rest everyone, they are settling themselves, right? This was the easiest question, beta, because this was the question with the digits changed we did in the last class. Everyone first turn on your videos. Falak, Tejas, Akrati, Mitran. Do turn it on, beta. 360 gram is what percent of 3 kg, right? 360 gram is what percent of 3 kg. So 360 gram upon 3 kg into 100. The first thing you have to do is you have to make the units same, right? You should make the units same. This is in gram. So this 3 kg you should turn in gram. If you ask me that, ma'am, can't I turn this gram into kg? I would say yes, you can do that as well. You can convert this gram also in kg. Either you should do this in gram or this in kg. Unit should be same. But the only thing is, beta, conversion of units into smaller parts is easier. That's why I would change this 3 kg into gram. I know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. This is what I have in my mind. If 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, for sure 3 kg is equal to 3000.
Ma'am, your screen is frozen.
Ma'am, screen is frozen. Ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is
Ma'am,
frozen.
ma'am, just stuck in one
I'm
place.
not stuck. Ma'am, you're frozen. Frozen. Ma'am, frozen. Ma'am, you are frozen. Frozen. Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, you are frozen.
Ma'am, you are frozen. And now you are not frozen, but you are blurry. Yes, ma'am, you are blurry.
Everyone, please turn off your mic right now. Only one person will tell me, am I visible and clearly audible or not?
Ma'am, your screen is dull. Ma'am, just your screen is dull.
Tell me in the chat box, because I cannot hear anything at once you start speaking, all of you. Do tell me in the chat box, is the screen visible? You are blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope now it's good, right?
No, ma'am, you are black.
Achha, just give me a second.
Ma'am just left and she came back.
Is it good to go now? Clear?
Blur, ma'am. No one's a blur.
Okay, everyone,
Ma'am,
please.
Ma'am, blur. You're blur, ma'am. Ma'am, black.
Now, for whoever it is black, you exit and rejoin. For whoever it is black, exit and rejoin. I think it's clear. Yashashwani just said that I'm clear. The screen is clear. Okay, so what we have to do? We just have to reduce it now. 1010 cancelled out. 2020s cancelled out. 31 is 3 and 3 12s are 36. You are left with only 12%. Your answer, option A. Tell me any doubts?
No,
Anyone? No? Quickly take the screenshot. I shall give you the next question. Here you go. Go for it. A student secured 30% marks out of total marks 250. He failed by 25 marks. the marks required to pass, and this has came in consecutive 2 examinations of RMS. And let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Only 3, Falak, Tejas and Saptarshi. Okay, let's see. The question says, beta, a student secured 30% marks out of 250. That means total marks was how much? 250. And he secured 30%. He secured 30% of 250. So 30% of 250 is what? 30% of 250 is 75. 75. Short trick, you know. How? So if 10% is 25, so 30% is 25 into 3, 75. The short trick. Between any of the question, if you feel that you are not getting anything, do let me know. I shall explain you. Okay. So 30% of 250 is 75. A student scored 75, but still he failed by 25 marks. Though scoring 75, he failed by 25 marks. That means if he would have scored 25 marks more, only then he could have been passed, right? So actual passing marks was what? 75 plus 25, 100. Option 3. 75 plus 25, that is option C. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, if no, I'm giving you one same question.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, why should we add 25, ma'am?
Beta, because it's given in the question that out of 250, students scored 30%. That is 75 marks. But despite scoring 75 marks, he failed by 25 marks. Right? So we can assume that if he would have scored 25 marks more, he would have not failed. So actually, the passing marks is 75, which he scored, and 25 by which he failed. So 75 plus 25 is 100, beta. Got it? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Okay. Okay, I'm giving you the same question with the digits change. I'm writing the question. And I hope this time everyone will give me the correct answer. if you fail by 40 marks. The marks. Same question, just the digits changed, okay? Here you go. Same question, just the digits changed. Let me see this time. How many of you give me the correct answer? Still 3 more to go. 3 of you haven't answered me, beta. Quickly. It's the same question. Any one of you haven't answered me yet. Okay, this time Tejas, Prajwal, Vivansh, you all 3 answered first. First 3 to answer. Yashashwani, Falak, Saptashri and Mitran has also given the correct answer. But still Nikshita, Bhavik, Prisha, Melanie, Akrati, you have given me the wrong answer. Bhargav hasn't answered. Yes, Nikshita, beta, you have raised your hand, beta. Do tell me. It was the same question, right? 30% marks out of 350. So 350 ka 30% you will take out. It will be 105. He had scored 105, but he failed by 40 marks. That means if he scored 40 marks more, he could have passed. So 105 plus 40, that is 145. Option B. Because this was so easy. Who is it? Yes, Falak, you have raised your hand. Ask. Yes, Falak. Nikshita. I think the network is not that good. Falak, you are not audible clearly to me, beta. Your networks are not that good, beta. Do ask again or ask in the chat box. Okay, next question, dear. If no problem in this, then next question. In an examination, 93% of students passed, 259 failed. Total number of students. This is also very easy. Go for it. Let me see who is the first one. Only three. Palak, Yashashwini and Akrati. Arey. Filling it so hard. Okay. See beta. How you will do it. In an examination, 93% of the students pass and 259 fail. So I know whatever is the number of students, 93% of the students pass and the remaining fail. So remaining percent is not known to us. We know the number of students, right? But one thing which I know is total percent is 100%. Total of anything is 100%, right? So, by using that common sense, I can say that if 93% of the students, they have passed, what percent student must have failed? You tell me. What percent student must have failed? Turn on your mic and tell me.
It is 7%.
Yes, 7%. Because total should be 100%. Percent means 100. If out of that 100, 93% have passed, that means remaining 7%, they have failed. Right? They have failed. And I know that 259 students have failed. Let me consider that total number of students are X. Total number of students are X. So X ka 7% is equal to 259. Total number of students ka 7% is 259. Find the value for X. X is equal to 259. This 7 by 100, when moved to the other side of the equals to, it becomes reciprocal. 7 by 100 would become 100 upon 7. Now you can simplify it. 7 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21 and then 7. 737 is 259. You are left with 37 and 100. 37 into 100 is 3700. Option A answer. Any doubts? Do raise your hand, beta. Anyone? Any doubts?
Ma'am, I don't understand. From 7 multiplied by 7. X multiplied by 7 by 100.
Okay, see dear. X into 7 upon 100 is equal to 259. This you understand, Bhavik, the equation form, right? Now you have to find the value for X beta. So 259 into this 7 by 100 will move to other side of the equals to. When this moves to the other side of the equals to, it becomes reciprocal. 7 by 100, it would become 100 upon 7. Okay, reciprocal. Now simplify it. 7 1 is 7 and 7 into 37 is 259. You are left with 37 and 100. So 37 into 100 is 3700. Got it, Bhavik?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else, dear? Any question? Anyone else?
Please
Everyone
give
got
another
it?
question of time.
Same type. Okay, note this down, giving you same type question just with the digits changed.
Ma'am, give same type of question, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Okay, just a second. I'm rubbing this. Please take the screenshot. I'm giving you same type of question, okay? With the digits changed. And this time, hope all of you will do the correct solution in an examination. 82% of the students passed and so
Ma'am, is there 38 or 82?
it's 82 beta, it's 82. Here you go. Answer info. Same type of question you have. Go for it. Only 6 correct answer. Tejas, Yashashwini, Falak, Nikshita, Saptarshi, Vivansh. Arey beta. The digits were only changed, huh? Bhargav, Yasha, Melanie, Akrati. Everyone has given the wrong answer. See, only the digits I changed, right? 82% of the students have passed. Total, you know, they are 100%. If 82% have passed, 18% must have failed. If 82% students have passed, so 18% student must have failed. And I know that 360 students have failed. So total I will consider X students. X students का 18% is 360. So X की value will be what? 360 into 18 upon 100 when moves to other side of the equals to becomes 100 upon 18. 18 one is 18 and 18 into 20 is 360. 20 into 100 is 2000. Option C. Okay, those who did it wrong, they tell me where do you feel the problem. Those who did it wrong. Prisha, Bhavik, Melanie, Bhargav, Yasha, Akrati, Mittan and Prajwal. Do let me know which step you are feeling the problem.
Ma'am, in simplifying.
Simple. Arey beta, 18 one is 18 and 18 twos are 36. This was the easiest simplification. If you don't know the tables, then for sure there is problem with you. But if you know the tables, beta, this question is so easy. Okay, giving you the next question. Anyone any doubt in this? Do raise your hand or else I shall move to the next. No? Okay, here you go. This is a quite good question. Tejas, Falak, Yashashwini, Prajwal. Very good, beta. Very good, dear. Just a second, dear. Tejas, Falak, Yashashwini, and Prajwal. Okay. Tejas, turn on your mic, beta. Tejas,
Yes, ma'am.
how did you do it? I want to know.
We will just assume that if the cycle price is 1,000, then we will decrease it by 20%. So the price will go to 800. Then we will increase it by 20%. So the price will go to 960. Then we will see that what is the difference from 1,000 to 960, and it is 8%.
Your network is not that good, beta, so I couldn't get anything from your side. I'm really sorry. Okay, second was, I guess, Falak. Falak is so smart. She just left. Okay, Yashashwini. Yashashwini, do tell me, how did you do it? Yashashwini, how did you do it? Yashashwini not there in the class? Yashashwini, do turn on your mic, beta. I just want to know what was your approach. Yes, Vivansh, you have also answered A. How? Do tell me in the chat box.
I did not answer it correct.
You answered A, beta. I can see in the chat box.
Ma'am, in the chat box, but in the poll, I did not get it correct.
Okay, let us see, beta. Let us see. A decrease of 20% in the price of cycle increases demand by 20%, right? The effect of sale on the cycle, we want to know, right? So, one short trick that you have to remember is,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell now?
Yes, for sure. Tell me.
Ma'am, we will assume that the price of the cycle is 1,000 rupees. Then we will decrease it by 20%. So it will come to 800 rupees. Then we will again increase it by 20%. So it will come to 960. Then we will check that what is the difference from 1,000 to 960. And it comes to 4% decrease. So the answer came 4% decrease.
Okay, but I'm telling you a short trick for it. Okay, see, a decrease of 20% of price increases the demand by 20%, right? So this is called beta net change in percentage. Okay, change in percentage, net change in percentage. So if there is decrease of 20%, the demand increases by 20%, right? So if there is decreased, matlab minus 20, so the demand is increased plus 20 plus minus 20 into plus 20 upon 100. For increase, I have plus. For decrease, I have minus. This, I think you know that plus means increment. Minus means decrement, right? So if there is decrease in certain percentage, I shall take it as negative ka 20. If there is increase in percentage, I shall take positive ka 20. And then xy, 20 into 20 upon my 100. And I took minus 20. Why? Because the value for x is minus 20. It is a decrease in the price, right? So minus plus minus 20 minus 20 cut. 20 minus 20 0. And let with 20 into 20. So 0 se 0 cut, 0 se 0 cut. 2 2s are 4 and minus plus minus. So the answer is minus 4%. Answer is minus 4%. And here in the option, I don't have minus 4%, but I have 4% decrease and 4% increase. So if it is minus, that means that minus includes decrement. So I will take option A, 4% decrease. What is tell me yes or no?
This side.
Pardon, beta? Bhavel?
Please give another question.
Another question.
My
Okay, give
answer
me.
but it increased. I forgot to minus everything.
No, beta, it will come decrease. Why? Because minus plus is minus, right? And minus stands for decrease. Okay. Any problem in the concept? Do let me know. Any problem with the concept that why this, that? Please do let me know. Anyone? Any problem with the concept? Do let me know. Yes, Bhargav. Yes, beta. Bhargav. Beta, you have raised your hand, but I cannot get any sound from your end. Bhargav, you can ask in the chat box, beta, because I cannot hear anything from your side, dear. Okay, I hope if this is clear, shall I give you one more question of the same type? Shall I? Giving you the same question with different digits, okay? Same question, but with the digits change. And the formula that you learned right now, that is the short trick for it, beta. Okay, here you go. You can answer me. Starting the poll for you. Just a second. Answer me. Still 4 of you have answered me. Quickly answer me, beta. Falak, Prajwal, Saptarshi, first 3 to answer me. Yashashni, Bhargav, Prisha, Mitran has given me the correct answer. Still, so many of you have given me the wrong answer. Still wrong. Okay, see. Decrease of 15%. If there is decrease in the price by 15%, demand is increased by 15%. So net effect is what? X plus Y plus XY upon 100. This is the net effect of percentage, right? So minus 15 plus 15, 15 into 15 upon 100. 15 minus 15, 0. 15 into 15 is 225, right? Upon my 100. So it's 2.25. 2.25%, that is option B. 2.25%, that is option B. So it will be 2.25 decrease. 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225. 225 upon 100 is 2.25. Do let me know any doubts, beta. Yes, Akrati? I'm unable to hear anything from your side, beta. Anyone, any doubts? Do let me know, beta. Akrati, beta, you are not audible. Can you please write in the chat box, because I'm not getting any sound from your end. I don't know why, but still, no sound from your end, beta. Okay. Before moving ahead with another question, I just have one notice. Actually, you must have received a link, okay? A link of survey that how much the mathematics syllabus has been completed. So, whatever chapters you have studied, okay, whatever chapters you have studied, you have to fill the form as per it, okay? Whatever chapters you have studied, it must be in your announcement section here, okay? So whatever chapter you must have studied in the class, please do fill the chapters there, that yes, I have studied this chapter. And this should be done, okay? This has to be done. You have to do it. You don't have any other option. You have to do it, okay? So everyone, it's a request that please do fill the form of the survey, that what chapters has been taught to you in the mathematics subject. Okay, so that we get to know that how many of you have studied how many chapters. It's just for that. Okay, please do fill it. You don't understand. Okay, Akrati, explaining you again, dear. Akrati, this particular thing, it is the short trick, the formula for it. Okay, formula for what? Formula for net percentage change. Okay, net percentage change. This is the formula. X plus y plus xy upon 100. Okay, now the question says, Akrati, the decrease of 15% in the price of a cycle increases its demand by 15%. If it's decreased, then it is minus 15. If it's increased, it is plus ka 15. So x ki jagah you will write minus 15, y ki jagah plus ka 15, plus x into y, that is minus 15 into 15 upon में 100. Minus plus minus, 15 minus 15 is 0. Now I am left with 15 into 15. So 15 into 15 is 225 upon me 100. 225 upon me 100, it is 2.25%. And because it is in minus, that is negative, it is 2.25% decrease. Okay, Akrati? Do tell me yes or no. And then we shall move to the next. Here you go. Answer. Here you go. Answer quickly. A number when increased by 60% gives 256. Okay. Palak, Yashashwini, Tejas, first three to answer me. Saptarshi, Bharvik and Bhargav has also given the correct answer. But many of you have given the wrong answer. Okay, let's see how we will do it.
Ma'am, everyone's video is off.
Pardon, Vika? Yes, Yashashwini? Okay, see. A number when increased by 60% gives 256. I don't know what is the original number. I'm not aware about it. Only thing that is given in the question is a number when increased by 60%. When increased by 60%, it gives me 256 as the value. Find the number. Now, any number is 100% in itself. Any number is 100% in itself. Like if I say 5, 5 is 100% of itself. I say 20, 20 is 100% of itself. So whatever is the number, it is 100% of itself. And if I increase the number by 60%, it becomes 160%. If I increase the number by 16%, so it becomes 160%. As per the question, this 256 is 160%. This 256 is the value of 160% of the number. You have to find the original number, that is 100%. You have to find the original number, which is 100%. So just solve it. 0 se 0 cut. 16 1 is 16 and 16 into 16 is 256. 16 tens are 160. Option B answer. Any doubts? If anyone is not getting it, not understanding, please do let me know, beta, so that I can explain.
Understand, ma'am.
Okay, see. After answering it, off your mind. A number when increased by 60% gives 256. I don't know what is the number. I'm not aware about it. The only thing I'm aware about is whenever, whatever is the number, when that number is increased by 60%, the value of that number becomes 256. Now we have to find the number. Any number is 100% of itself. Any number is 100% of itself. And if I increase the number by 60%, so the total value becomes what? 100 plus 60. 160%. As per the question, 256 is the value for 160%. You have to find the value for 100. That is the original number. So 256 upon 160 into 100. 0 se 0 cut. 16 1 is 16. 16 16s are 256. 16 into 10 is 160. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Any doubt? You all are not asking the doubt, but not giving the correct answer as well. Okay, giving you the next question. Tell me answer for this. Here you go. Tell me answer for this. Same type, but here it is decreased. Quickly, dear. Wow. 8 of you have given me the correct answer. Very good. Mognesh, Falak, Bhargav, first 3 to answer me. Very smart. Okay, see. Yes, Prajwal, you have raised your hand, beta. Want to ask anything? I know that a number is 100% of itself. Whatever is the value of number, it is 100% of itself. The question says when a number is decreased by 30%, it becomes 462. Decreased by 30% what? Decreased by 30% means Now the value of the number is only 70%. If the value of a number is 100% in itself and it is being decreased by 30%, so final value of the number is 70%. As per the question, this 462 is the value for 70%. You have to find the original number, that is 100%. 0 say 0, cut, right? 7 1 is 7 and 7 into 66 is 462. 66 into 10 is 660. Option B your answer. Option B is your answer. Tell me. Did you get it? Yes or no, beta? No one is telling me no, but no one is telling me yes also. Shall I believe that everyone with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
videos off? No, I feel that everyone have kept their videos off.
Ma'am, understood.
I'm busy with some other stuff. इतनी भी तो अच्छी
No,
नहीं है
ma'am,
ना कि एक ही बार में समझ में आ जाए. Because since last 2-3 classes, I am feeling that you all are not getting any doubts. And if you are not getting doubts, at least I should get 100% result in the class. But neither I am getting 100% result in the class, nor I am getting any doubts from your side. That means you are just simply log in and then taking the class for an hour and then just leaving the class. Oof. But this percentage is easy and important as well, beta. Please do feel the importance of percentage chapter, because you will see 7 to 8 questions related directly or indirectly with percentage. This symbol. Directly or indirectly 7 to 8 questions with this symbol. So please be very careful when you practice percentage chapter. Anyone, any questions? I would take it as no. And if no questions, then very good, beta. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Next day, we shall start a new chapter. Okay? And do the questions from Bharati publication book of this chapter percentage. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.